kicking off day 2, and we are putting down some tall fescue, getting ready to seed. Well, we had some high winds come through the foothills last couple of days, so I make sure I hung Old Glory back up. All right, day 2 is complete. Man, that's so much easier than day 1, aerating and seeding. But the cool part is, with all the rain we've had lately, we're actually starting to get a little growth. So maybe there's hope. So day 2, putting the seed down is complete. My son walked behind me and drug it in, and Mother Nature's gonna do the rest because we've got some rain on the way Thursday and Friday this week. So 2 good days of rain will be nice to soak it in, and we'll let Mother Nature do the rest. So there you go, putting down seed part 2, and that's our laying hens back there, and then we've got the meat birds coming in April. So excited about that. Hopefully we can get some grass growing. I'll keep you updated on the progress. Until next time, we'll see you then.
Hit the subscribe and share channel.